Welcome to the Burban Gardener. I'm your host, Matt Scheiber. Today, I'm going to show you how to trim off the bottom ring of branches and a little bit more of your stump so that you can have a nice open pores for your tree to take up water, and it'll fit in your Christmas tree stand appropriately. Now, of course, for today, I've got my essential tools: handsaw, loppers, and a hot toddy. That's good. I'm just going to place this over on the table here. Now, of course, when you're working with sharp tools and objects, make sure you're wearing an appropriate pair of safety gloves. These will protect my hands from any sort of scratches, cuts, abrasions that these incredibly clean and sharpened tools could produce. Make sure that your tools are always sharp, clean, and oiled. You always want to be working with the best quality and safest tools you can. So I'm just going to come in here and take off the bottom 2 tree rings of branches. Let's get as close to the trunk as possible. I clip these off. There we go. Just like that. Get that one there. Get this one here. This guy. And this guy's got to come out. That one. I'll take this one. And one more. And take this guy right here. That's nice. Place my loppers to the side. I'm just going to pull these branches out. I'm going to save these for later. You can always use these for other greens. Make a little garland out of them. Heck, you could make a wreath out of that. Now, this is a very sharp handsaw. Be very careful using your handsaws. All right. You always want to get a really nice quality handsaw. Make sure that your handsaw is doing the work. You should always let the tool do the work. You shouldn't be struggling through that piece of wood. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to saw off. I had about 6 inches sawed off at the shop. The guy's chainsaw wasn't working so good. I'm going to take off another couple inches here, all right? Ideally, take off 12 inches if you can to get the best amount of flow for that water through your tree. So I'm going to go right here. This is perfect. Back and forth. Just let the saw work its way right through that stump. Shouldn't be pressing too hard. Going right through. And there we go. Nice. Beautiful. Next thing we got to do, put this puppy in the stand.